Hi everyone, Ani Sorrells with Center 21 here. Today we are going to be touring this absolutely fabulous home located in Frisco, Texas. This home is listed for $900,000, 7 bedrooms, 5.5 bath. Super excited to get into it, so let's go ahead and walk in. As you're walking into the home, the first thing you're gonna see is this stairway. It's just automatically inviting you in. It makes you wanna go up the stairs immediately. But first thing, let's talk about this living room space. Really inviting and open. You automatically feel super connected with the house, from the tall ceilings all the way down to peeping into the backyard, and then also showing off these beautiful arch windows in the front of the home, showing you into the front of the neighborhood. It's just super inviting. You got the sunlight coming in. I love it. You also have this fireplace with hardwood, and it goes all the way up to the ceiling, and then you have your black tile splash to go with it. So as we wrap around this corner, you have an entryway into the backyard. We also have our bathroom that's here. It's a guest bathroom, a shower, your sink, your basic needs. So we step in, they have a really nice white floor. I like that. And then your walk-in shower, so you can shower as you please. Entering into the office space, one of my favorite things about this space is the wood. I just feel a really nice aesthetic of, it just makes me want to study when I come in here. It feels quiet, private, and exclusive, so you're able to get your job done. The next thing is these hardwood doors. One thing about this listing, they have all solid doors, and you can feel the amount of quality in them as you swing back and forth. Super heavy, and it adds to the room. So as we head down the hallway, we're going to cut to a right, and then we are back into our living room space by the front door. If you swing around and make another, want to say right, you have a private chef's bar here where you can put your wine and anything that you'd like to do drink-wise. You can serve your guests from here, and you're still connected with the main space, and that's still in the main area. And then you're also not too far from your kitchen and your dining space. One of my favorite parts about this home is how open it is here, so you can still see the backyard. You're able to access your bar. You can still entertain your guests, and then you have this fabulous kitchen, guys. Okay, I have to walk in. It's like coming from the living room into the kitchen and your dining space. I love how this granite and marble just spills over the side onto the countertop. You have your wood and counters and your silver appliances. I mean, really, what is there not to love? You also have a decent sized island and 2 sinks, one with a wide sink and another one with just a nice narrow sink. You have your fridge and also your stove. So you have plenty of counter space, plenty of entertaining room. I mean, really, what is there not to love about this kitchen? If you walk through this way, I'll also give you guys a nice little peek into the dining room. Before we enter that, let's talk about this pantry. One of my favorite features about this pantry is it has an automatic switch. So when you open the door, you don't even need to worry about flipping the switch on or off. The light pops on and off for you, giving you that feeling of just being able to walk right in. This is the dining room space. We have a chandelier here, and then also I love the crown molding along the bottom of the walls for entertaining your guests and enjoying this living room. Swinging back around into the kitchen area, so as we navigate through the kitchen, we want to go ahead and acknowledge the second staircase, which also has access to the second floor. And then you also swing around this way. We have our 3-car garage right through this door. Right outside of the garage, we have a mudroom, and then you also have another half bath for guests to use in the event that they need to use the restroom. We also have another private area into the pool, along with some more space for cabinets. and then we're entering into the primary suite. So one cool feature about this house is all of them have intercom systems that you can be able to speak from room to room, whether you're upstairs or downstairs. And then you can just be able to call out, and it also works as a stereo as well. So you have views into your backyard by the pool, and then you're able to walk into your primary bath. So we have 2 sinks for his and her sinks, and then we have an open shower with a nice backsplash. And then you also have your tub. Guys, imagine soaking in this after a long day of work. I know I would, okay? And then we also have our walk-in closet. There's plenty of space for all of your shoes and shirts and undershirts and hairbrushes and makeup. It has space for everything. So make sure you guys get in on this deal, okay? So come with me as we head out of the primary suite. We are going to head back into the living room space and the kitchen. Since we have 2 staircases in this home, you can choose to go up or down, but we're gonna race because I just feel like I'm gonna get up there faster. So, ready to go. Okay. All right, so as you guys can see, where you guys came up, this is the open part of the house. You kind of get a view looking over the living room area, the front door, the dining room, and the kitchen. And you kind of just get the chance to spin around and get the feel for all the different rooms. So, we come down the hall. There is a bedroom here. So this is, I think, like the 2nd bedroom. Plenty of space. It has a window looking out into the backyard, into your neighbor's backyard. So there is a his and hers bathroom here. So this bathroom is accessible through the hallway. It has a tub, shower, cabinet, and a toilet. So you can share this bathroom with anyone in the hall, or you can share it with this bedroom here. Now this bedroom could be a bedroom or an office. It could be your 2nd story office. If you guys do a situation like us where both of us work from home, you might need that separation, or just somewhere else to get away, to go and take another meeting or whatever. So if you have a downstairs space and you need a 2nd space upstairs, you can use this room. Let's head out and into this other room. We have a closet space here for whatever, coats and things like that. And then this is another bedroom. You have a view into the back of the house. Now in these homes, the garage is in the back of the house. So you have your own private entryway into your garage. And then this is also another closet space. So you have 2 closets here just to walk in and out as you please. It's hot in there. Guys, I mean, you really cannot get enough of this home. I don't even know what bedroom number we're on at this point. We're getting lost. So let's head up the steps, because this home it's 2 stories, but it has like a 3rd story feature, which is really exciting. It's like a little hidden nook. You can go ahead and head up the stairs and into another room. So really cool part about this room is you kind of get your own private little nook. So you step into this piece of the room and it's kind of like you have your own little private hideaway, or your hide from your kids' room. So that's a really cool feature about this top room. Doesn't have to be a bedroom, but it could just be a room that you want to just have for yourself. So there's plenty of space for you, your family, and more in this whole entire listing. I mean, you have so much room. So let's head back downstairs and let's show you guys the outside features. So as we enter into outside of the home, you get to see this. This is just everything, okay? It's giving me island vibes. It's giving me just hot summer in Texas vibes. So you have your pool with all of the beautiful stone. There's an attached jacuzzi here. And then you have your exit on this side of the backyard. You also have private entrances into the backyard as well, by the master suite and by the office. And then you have your grill over here. And then you also have a cooler outside with a countertop that you can serve your guests or just hang out with your family around the pool. So, I mean, guys, what more is there to ask for in this listing? It has everything you need and more. This is why you should definitely contact me to see more details about this listing. So let's head back inside in the cool air condition, and then we'll go ahead and see you guys out. So you've seen everything and more about this exquisite home. I mean, what more is there not to love about it? If you guys want more details on this listing, be sure to contact me, Ani Sorrells with Century 21, for more details. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you next time. Until then, bye.